This time we're supposed to multiply -1, which represents monomial, by polynomial, means the term inside of the parentheses. Again, I have to distribute this -1 into the parentheses. Means I have to multiply -1 by every single term inside of the parentheses. I have -1 times 7h is minus 7h. -1 times -j is positive j, because negative times negative gives me positive. -1 times -3 is positive 3. Negative times negative gives me positive. 1 times 3 gives me 3. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I'm going to multiply monomial, which is represented by 4s, by the binomial, also we can call this polynomial, s squared plus 13s. We have to do the same operation. We have to distribute monomial into the parentheses, multiply 4s by every single term inside of the parentheses. I have 4s times s squared is equal 4s cubed. 4 times invisible 1 gives me 4. And remember, anytime I have no exponent, there is invisible 1. Anytime I multiply the variables with the same base, I keep the base and add exponents. That's why I have 3. 1 plus 2 gave me 3. Plus 4 times 13 is equal 52 s squared. Remember, anytime I have no exponent, there is invisible 1. Anytime I multiply the variables with the same base, I keep the base and add exponents. 1 plus 1 gave me 2. This is the solution to my problem.